Scan for SOV and straight A's only. Let's go! First, plants obtain carbon dioxide gas directly from the atmosphere through their leaves. This gas provides the essential carbon atoms needed to build complex organic molecules like fats and lipids. Next, during the Calvin cycle of photosynthesis, plants fix this inorganic carbon into organic sugar molecules. This transformation is a core part of the global carbon cycle found in nature. Finally, these carbon skeletons are rearranged by the plant to synthesize lipids for energy storage. This confirms that the process is part of the carbon cycle, making option C correct.